If you want to hide photos or videos on Realme GT 8 Pro, then first of all we need to open the Photos app. I'm gonna use this one, the original one provided by Realme. And in this case, if you want to hide something, let's say I'm gonna try to hide this photo over here, what I can do is I can tap on these three dots in the upper right corner, and then we have set as private. And there we go. Here we can also see that we need to confirm that we want to set this file as private. So we can tap on OK. You also need to have a privacy password if you want to later on access the private album. So let's set a password. And in this case, we can start with 6 digits, but you can tap on use a different password type in order to, of course, change it. And let's say I'm gonna actually use a pattern in this case. We need to enter our password twice. You can also link the password for the privacy with your HeyTap account or Realme account, so that you have the option to recover the password later on. But you can also tap on Not Now, and then you can choose any of these other methods for recovery. So instead of using the linked account, you can just use recovery email, or you can set up a security question. In my case, I'm gonna set up a custom question. There we go. And of course, in your case, you want to set it up properly. And let's tap on Done. You can also use fingerprint if you want to have a quick access to the private safe or private album. So once the private safe is created, we can immediately go to images and videos in order to try to find everything that is hidden in here. But as you can see, this photo was not added immediately, so we need to go back and set as private again and confirm your choice, and there we go. So now here we also have the instruction how to go to the private album. So we can touch and hold the bottom bar in order to go to albums private. So you can press and hold your finger on the photos in here, for example, just like that, in order to try to open it. Or I believe we can go to albums in here in order to find the private. So as you can see, we have a couple of ways to access it. And there we go, we have access to our hidden photos and videos. Subscribe to my channel.